Ever gotten that sinking feeling in your stomach as payday approaches? The one that screams, did I remember everyone's hours? Did I calculate deductions right? Am I going to accidentally trigger an audit? Yeah, payroll. It's the lifeblood of your business, keeping your amazing team happy and motivated. But let's be honest, it can also be a massive headache. If you're a small business owner using Clover as your point-of-sale system, you might be wondering, can Clover handle payroll too? The short answer? Not directly. But Clover can be a powerful tool in making payroll a breeze. Here's how. Clover, your timekeeping BFF. The first step to smooth payroll is having accurate timesheets. Clover shines here with its built-in employee management features. You can create employee profiles, set pay rates, and most importantly, track their hours. Imagine this. Your employees clock in and out using their phones or directly on the Clover device. No more paper timesheets or relying on memory. Everything is neatly recorded in the system. This not only saves you tons of time and reduces errors, but also empowers your employees. They can easily access their own timesheets, see how many hours they've worked, and potentially even submit time-off requests directly through the system. Integrations are key. While Clover itself doesn't handle payroll processing, it integrates seamlessly with some of the biggest names in the game, ADP, Gusto, Paychex, just to name a few. These integrations are where the magic happens. Once your employee hours are logged in Clover, you can easily export them to your chosen payroll service. This saves you the hassle of manually entering data, reducing the risk of errors and streamlining the entire process. But wait, there's more. The Clover app market offers a variety of third-party apps that can further enhance your payroll experience. Imagine apps that help you manage employee onboarding and paperwork, track employee performance and goals, automate deductions and benefits calculations, facilitate communication and scheduling with your team. By leveraging Clover's core functionalities and these handy add-ons, you can build a robust and automated system that takes the stress out of payroll. From dreading to done. Let's be honest, payroll will never be your favorite business activity. But with Clover as your partner, you can transform it from a dreaded chore to a streamlined, efficient process. You'll free up valuable time to focus on what truly matters, growing your business and serving your customers. Remember, a happy and well-paid team is the foundation of any successful business, and Clover can be a powerful tool in making that happen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.